Hi there, Michelle here. In today's video, I have a little bit of plant mail. I'm excited to open a wish list plant. This is a plant that I didn't exactly want for the foliage. I wanted for the blooms. That's kind of a difference from what I normally like. Normally, I like to buy plants for the foliage, but this one I bought it specifically for the bloom. So let's go ahead and in this video, let's crack open this box. Let's take a look at my wish list plant and let's have a little fun. If you like today's video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. That lets the word get out to the plant YouTube universe that my channel exists and that I'm out here producing videos about Hoya and their care every week. If you'd like to help me out further for my channel, please consider subscribing. I have a goal to make it to 1,000 subscribers and I'm getting very, very close. So to each and every one of you that have subscribed already, thank you so much. If you'd like to help out in this video, please put a comment in the comment section below. I do read and respond to all of my comments, so I will get back to you. Please give me a minute because it may take me a day or two to get back to you, but I promise I will. So now let's go ahead and get started with the plant mail. And if I could find where I put my scissors. Oh, I got scissors this time. Sometimes I have bad luck with the box opener. So I just go for the scissors and just cut through the box. Okay, so we got the box almost opened. This is from Candra La Barbera, and it has been beautifully packed and insulated. Definitely on the will recycle list. It's funny about the recycling. My husband went looking for a bag to wrap a friend's present in because we recycle bags too. Like gift bags. And he ran into my packaging that I've been saving, and he was not happy with the sheer volume of the packing supplies I have saved with no apparent use in sight. And I told him, I said, I plan on doing a sale in the spring and I plan on getting rid of it by then, I promise. So he is waiting with bated breath to see if I actually if I actually do run a plant sale in the spring like I want. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like sales that have cuttings, or do you like sales that are all rooted plants? All right, so I got that. And here's the inside, packaged with paper. It's a little damp, a little cold. She's got the tag right here. I won't let you read it because I want it to be a surprise. And I'll just cut this tape. And looks like, holy cow, look at those roots. That is the most well-rooted cutting I think I've ever seen. Outside of my rooted cuttings, of course. Holy cow. This, if you did not know, is a praetorii or praetori, depending upon how you want to say it. This Hoya, like I said, I bought for the blooms because they look like hairy teeth. And no, I'm not joking. I'll put a picture up. Let me unwrap this real fast, and I will give you a look at this massive root system. It's got 2 new leaves and a growth point on it. The leaves look fairly healthy. She did a good job packaging. I do believe that the leaves are going to survive. But look at this. Holy moly. Look at that root system. That's incredible. Thank you so much. The leaves feel turgid. They feel very healthy. The new leaves are quite healthy. There is a growth tip that is still active and alive. So wow, I got a great Hoya. It's packed in a nice mix that doesn't look like I'll have to repot right away. I'll only have to repot if there's some sort of disaster. I am very excited, but holy cow, those roots got my heart beating. I am so happy about that. So this is my Praetorii. This has been on my wish list for about 2 years now, ever since I saw the blooms. I did not put Hoya on my wish list just for blooms until I started actually being able to bloom my Hoya. And that was a shift in my viewpoint. I kind of shifted from trying to grow the Hoya to try to get them to be happy enough to bloom. And it's an enjoyable hobby being able to grow Hoya because they're all different and they all require different things. But getting them to bloom, requires a little bit different skill set. It's, for me, it's almost as much luck as it is expertise, because I don't have a lot of expertise. I'm still learning. The only one I know how to bloom is that Thomsonii right back there. So I will hope, and I will put this in my Millsbo cabinet. I will make a spot for it, and I will keep it happy, and we'll see how it does. We'll see if it can produce blooms for me, the hairy teeth blooms. That would be really exciting. So that is my video for today. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed getting to see my wish list plant, my Praetorii. I am very excited. The new leaves are just getting me giggly. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section. But until next time, I'll see you then. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I know that you have a lot of things that you can do with your time, that you need to do with your time. And I really appreciate it that you chose to spend that time with me today. Have a wonderful day. And until next time, I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.